Time for some Thursday birthdays in the 4 states, and we're heading up to Fort Scott for Solomon Davis, celebrating birthday number 5, and Gig loves you very much. Happy birthday, Solomon.
All right, and here's a note from Nana and Papa to Tanner Stitt, who's turning 13 years old this year in Iola, Kansas. Nana and Papa love you, Tanner.
And we're celebrating Spencer Wade in Pittsburgh, turning the big 16 today. Happy birthday, Spencer.
Adante Walton celebrating birthday number 17. Adante is in Iola.
And we've got Jacob Morrison celebrating number 19 in Lamar. Happy birthday, Jacob.
Alexis Edwards turns 26 years old in Girard with love from Mom, Richard, Brett, Celia, Hunter, Cameron, and Ricky.
And we've got Dustin Blackmore celebrating number 27 in St. Paul. Happy birthday, Dustin.
Sarah Soretti celebrating birthday number 32 this year. Looking great there, Sarah.
And we've got Josh Brennan turning 38 over in St. Paul. Happy birthday, Josh.
Hey, and guess who else is turning 38 in St. Paul? It's Heather Sinclair.
All right. We've also got Lisa Chaplin celebrating number 44 in Fort Scott. And Lisa is a 7th grade teacher at Fort Scott Middle School. Happy birthday.
All right, happy birthday, Lisa. And happy birthday going out to Brian Reed in Columbus, Kansas. Brian is celebrating birthday number 45 this year.
And we've got Joyce Stapleton celebrating a birthday in Chetopa. Happy birthday, Joyce.
Donna McCoy turning 74 years old this year. Looking great there, Donna, in Erie, Kansas.
And happy birthday from your wife, Pete Crawford, in Joplin, celebrating number 85. Happy birthday, Pete.
Vincel Burke is celebrating birthday number 86 this year. Happy birthday to Vincel.
And we've got Sean and Christy Harvey celebrating their first year of wedded bliss. Happy birthday anniversary to the Harveys over in Buffalo, Kansas.
All right, happy anniversary, Harveys. And a happy birthday wish going out to Jerry Baker, who's now 72 years old in Parsons.
And we know you love celebrating with us as much as we love celebrating with you. Tanya, how can they help us celebrate with them?
All they have to do is send us an email with your pictures and their names and the date of their birthday with their hometown, all the information you'd like us to say to birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you go over to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the Birthday Club today.